about the 12 fears which any man or woman can come across. So, in these uncertain times, sitting at home, listening to the various media, even all people come across some or the other fear. What is a fear? It is a false evidence appearing real because of your thinking. But I can say is false evidence run away from you is fear. You have to face the fear. So here are very common fears which come across, and it is not like that we are completely fearless. At every stage of life you come across some or the other fear. Only things you have to become aware, yes, my mind is playing with me with fear. You have to face fear by accepting the fear and doing those actions and overcome the fear. In this video, I am just going to express the types of fear. In my next video, I will be talking about those steps, how you can overcome the fear. Hi, myself Dr. M.K. Shivani. I am medical professional, serial entrepreneur and India's first 3P lifestyle coach. So the first 7 fears are explained in the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. The 7 fears. After that, I have come across for 5 more fears. So I'm going to talk about 12 fears. The first common most fear is fear of poverty. Whatever the money I have, if I lose that money or if I'm not able to earn that money, how I am going to look after my lifestyle. So this is a very, very common fear, and it is a very common fear currently because everybody is uncertain about their income. Even if their investments are there, they are not sure how much they are going to get back and when they are going to give it. So everybody is worried. If I don't get the money to look after my lifestyle, what will happen? So come across that fear. The second fear is the fear of criticism or fear of rejection. If I say something to someone, will they reject me? If they ridicule me, if they criticize me, that's why people don't take action. The third common fear is the fear of ill health. If I become ill, if something will happen to me, if I get cancer, if I get corona, so fear of ill health, which is very common. So this is very, very important. Most of the people are getting this fear of ill health, but you keep a positive mindset. Don't think that you are going to get affected. The fourth one is there is fear of loss of love, loss of friend, relative, or loss of your partner, girlfriend, boyfriend, which is very common. So that's why so many people don't ask for love, thinking that I will get rejected or I will lose if I ask. The last one is fear of old age. If I get old, what will happen to me? Will I able to look after myself? Will my family look after myself? And that's why they become very old in young age, only thinking about that. The last 7th fear is fear of death. What will happen at the time of deathbed? What will happen after death? So they are very scared. So these are the 7 fears. After that, we have realized there are some more fears which are very common and which is psychologically based. The fear of failure is very, very common. That's why people don't take action. If I do, they are not able to take the risk, and that's why thinking that I am going to fail, they don't take action. Fear of failure, that's why there is a lack of action. The next is fear of success. Some people cannot digest success because they think if I become more successful, I will lose my friends and relatives. I don't deserve that much. So they try to be mediocre only, and they don't want to become a rich and successful or ultra rich, thinking that they are not born for that. So it is a fear of success. Digestion nahi hota hai. They cannot digest that success. The next is their fear of not being smart. They are fear of not being smart or not looking good enough. That's why they are fear. Oh, this is a very common fear nowadays. Log kya kahenge. The next is there that feeling of being alone. And it happens in the metro cities when they are not staying in the joint families. If you are alone, they are having that fear of being alone at home. The next is there, the last is very, very significant as per me, who are very champions, warriors, achievers and successful people, fear of being insignificant. If I am not able to achieve my dreams, if I am not able to contribute something to the society, so that fear is there. That is a good fear, I can say, fear of becoming insignificant. So these are different 12 fears which come across. No man is fearless at any point of it. Whatever successful he is, whatever confidence he has, whatever power he has to face the fear. He has to face the fear. Only thing is we have to become aware about the fear. And there are specific phobias. These are called phobias. You must have come across that fear of certain pets, like people have fear of cat or fear of dog, fear of snakes. Then there are particular fear of traveling at high position, fear of injections, fear of taking medicines. There are so many fears are there. So that is called phobia. We have got certain mind power techniques which will burst your phobias, and in my next video stay tuned to understand how to overcome these fear and how to burst your specific phobias. Till then, you can subscribe to my all social media channels, YouTube channel, Instagram channel and Facebook pages to just enjoy the valuable contents on health, money, mind power and manifestation. Till then, signing off, Dr. M.K. Shivani. Bye.